Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the meaning of the acronym NBKC. I'm sure many of you have seen this acronym online or in real life, but you may not know what it means. So, let's get started. What does NBKC stand for? NBKC stands for No Biking, No Cycling. This acronym is often used by law enforcement and other officials to warn people that they are not allowed to ride bikes or bicycles in a certain area. Why is NBKC used? NBKC is used for a variety of reasons. In some cases, it may be used to prevent accidents or injuries. For example, NBKC may be used in areas where there is a lot of traffic or where the terrain is dangerous for cyclists. In other cases, NBKC may be used to protect property. For example, NBKC may be used in areas where there are a lot of pedestrians or where there is a risk of vandalism. Where is NBKC used? NBKC is used in a variety of places, including parks, schools, shopping malls, parking lots, public transportation, government buildings. How to avoid getting a ticket for violating NBKC. If you see a sign that says no biking, no cycling, it's important to obey it. If you violate NBKC, you could be fined or even arrested. Here are some tips for avoiding getting a ticket for violating NBKC. Be aware of your surroundings and look for signs that prohibit biking or cycling. If you see a sign that says no biking, no cycling, dismount from your bike and walk. If you are unsure whether or not you are allowed to bike or cycle in a certain area, ask a security guard or other official. I hope this video has helped you learn more about the meaning of the acronym NBKC. Remember, it's important to obey signs that prohibit biking or cycling. If you violate NBKC, you could be fined or even arrested. Thanks for watching.